This is Denise with the Real Estate Minute. Are you looking for a career that challenges and excites you? A career that lets you help others achieve their dreams? And a career that offers you flexibility for family, friends, and life balance? Welcome to real estate. But as an agent who's choosing a real estate company, what matters most? For many, ongoing training programs are key, as is reputation, integrity, and camaraderie. Technology also plays a role, and staying ahead on ways to build your business, including social media. At ERA Strother Real Estate, we provide it all in an effort to help you soar, whether you're a brand new agent or a highly experienced one. We also have offices in Fayetteville, Harnett County, Southern Pines, and Raleigh. To learn more, call us today, 910-864-2327. This is Denise Strother with the Real Estate Minute. Follow me on Twitter or check us out at erastrother.com.